Hi everybody, it is Tom back here on Jurassic Collectibles, and today I am very excited because we have got two parcels to take a look at from John Lewis. So I have purchased these items off of the John Lewis website. Very excited by what's inside, so let's open them up. So, I'm going to see if we can kind of open this thing up on camera. There we go. Cool. Right, okay. So can you kind of see what's in there? If we get this bit off, take my order invoice out, then you can see I've opened them upside down, but we have got the new Lego Jurassic World 2020 sets. I am so excited to have these in hand to take a look at. So you can see we have got Gallimimus and Pteranodon Breakout. Really gorgeous looking set. You can see, if I get that to focus, Owen, Claire the ACU Trooper, the Gallimimus. Really cool looking set. You can see the back there. Looks wonderful. Then we have also in this box got the smallest set, Dr. Wu's Lab Baby Dinosaurs Breakout. So you can see there, really cool looking set, complete with the baby Ankylosaurus and Triceratops. So that, another fantastic looking set. But we do have more. So if I take this out to one side, we have got one final package. You can see just here. And I think most of you are going to know what this is. So if I'm going to grab some scissors. If we just... I kind of just squeezed that then. I'm hoping that I've not done any damage to what's inside. We'll do that. And get this last one. I'm thinking it's going to fold open. Maybe not. No. Okay. So in here we have got... Yep, you guessed it. Indominus versus Ankylosaurus. So you can see... the Indominus Rex there looking gorgeous. The Gyrosphere Station, if we let that focus just there. Really gorgeous looking set. So, if I get that out of shot, you can see there is the Indominus set. We'll get that in focus, get the brightness down a little bit. There is the Lab. And there is the Gallimimus and Pteranodon Breakout. So 3 really exciting new Lego sets for us to take a look at here on the channel. We will be breaking them down in due course. I am really excited to have all 3 of these in hand. They are really awesome. So yes, leave these with me. I'll be building them all weekend and I'll give you a look at them as soon as I can. Thanks for checking out this video, guys. Take care as always and have a great week.